Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today is another unwrapping and it's also a what TF did I order video because I do not know what's in this package. I believe it came from eBay. So let's find out together. It is small, so I'm guessing that it is an accessory that I hope that I'm not cutting. Put my scissors down. Okay. I use the paper sack to wrap it up. Ready? Okay, it's another cutie pie. This is a, not quite sure if it's considered vintage Dooney and Bourke wristlet. And the color, I would probably say, it looks like it's missing the charm. There's supposed to be a charm hanging from there. The color I would say is maybe like a very light mint green, maybe. It looks like it has a scuff mark on it also. Okay, let's rub it off. Let's look inside, y'all. Double check the strap. So far, the hardware, it doesn't have Dooney and Bourke on it. It's missing the charm, which I don't believe I realized that in the pictures. Inside doesn't look bad. It does have a Dooney and Bourke label, so that helps save them because I was really thinking about returning it. So this is just a cute accessory to add to the collection, and the trim is a lighter tan as well. And the strap, I can always use it on another accessory item. But this should have a little Dooney and Bourke charm hanging from there. I don't think I have my other. Let me see. Yes, I do have one close by that I can show you. That I also got from eBay. Same silhouette, but different color. And it has a charm on the side of it. No, actually it doesn't. That one doesn't. Let me look at another one. So I could be mistaken. So this is another one, probably older or made around the same time. But see, it does have a Dooney and Bourke charm there on it. And this one has the same loop as if it's supposed to have one too. But I don't know how they could have gotten the charm off without cutting the leather. So I'm gonna go ahead and just say maybe it's not supposed to have a charm. The other one that I have doesn't have that loop there, but it does have Dooney and Bourke on the hardware. So I guess just different times they were made, and clearly different styles, because they're not completely identical with this section here. If y'all can see the difference, you have stitching there with no loop, a loop here, no stitching, and just hardware keeping it together. And this one also has a pocket on the back, but this one does not. So, another accessory, y'all, for Accessory August to add to the collection. I don't remember how much I paid for this. I'm going to guess and say I paid maybe between $6 and $10 for it. So I'm not too mad at it at all. And I will just clean it up and sanitize it and put it to use. But that's it, y'all. This is another What TF Did I Order? Pretty short video for this accessory item by Dooney and Bourke. I hope you all are enjoying Accessory August. And thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I will see you all in the next video. And as always, have a wonderful day.